Okay, in this video, I am going to show you guys how to make an announcement. So up at the very top of your screen, you're going to see these four words: stream, classwork, people, grades. When you're in your stream, that's what the students see as soon as they sign in each day. So if you want to share a welcome message or maybe a quote of the day or possibly your agenda for the day, this is a great spot to do that. So what you do is you click right here where it says share something with your class. And then you have some choices right here. It says for. If you click that drop arrow, all of your different classrooms that you have created will pop up. If you only have one Google Classroom created, then just your new classroom will pop up. But if you're a high school teacher and you have multiple classrooms made, maybe for each period, well, then you can create one announcement and you can put it on all your Google Classrooms at once. So that's a nice option. Then you'll have you have to decide which students you want it to go to within that classroom. So if you want it just to be a general announcement for all students, then you just leave it checked all students. But if you are differentiating and you only want a couple students to see this particular announcement, then you would check the names of the kids that you want to see it. Right now, you haven't joined my classroom yet when I made this video, so I don't have an option. If I uncheck that, and a bunch of names don't pop up, but if I did have all of you already signed up, I would see all of your names and I would click the names I want. Okay, so then you can type your message. I have one that I already had typed for you that I just copied and pasted. And if that's all you wanted, then you would click post. But if you want to add something to make it more interesting or to give them some kind of a resource, I said, hi, teacher friends, welcome to Google Classroom Training Summer 2020. I hope I can help you learn all how to make Google Classroom become your favorite new tool for creating a sense of community in your classroom. Whether your class is all together in person or at their homes, this tool helps to keep everyone connected. Let's have some fun building community right now. Please comment below about something you hope to still do before the summer is over. So rather than just giving you an announcement, I wanted to show you how this can become interactive, because that's my goal for today, is to show you we want everything to be as interactive as possible, especially when we're not all together, when we're away. If we're doing remote learning, we want to somehow still bring in that sense of togetherness. So along with my announcement, I want them to comment. And sometimes you might have students that can't think of any ideas. So it says, tell me something you still want to do before summer is over, and their mind is blank. So you can give them something to look at. So right here, if you click the add button, you have a choice of adding a link that they can look at, a special file that you've already made, a YouTube video that you think might inspire them, or something that you've created from your Google Drive that you can add here. And for this one, I had a link. So I just said summer bucket list ideas. So I looked this up in Google already, and I found this website that I thought would give you all some ideas in case you can't think of anything. Because for instance, you might think it's everything's closed. There's nothing that I can possibly do that's fun this summer, and just been stuck home. Well, if you look through this list, you might realize, number one, you can't go to an amusement park, but you could leap off a rope swing somewhere, so or you could pick strawberries. So there are things that we can still do for fun, even if you're not able to come up with an idea. Look through this list and I bet you'll find something. So I came up here and I copied that address. That I'm going to go back to my Google Classroom tab. I'm going to go to the link option, and then I'm just going to paste my link right there. And then you'll see what happens is it shows up right here in my announcement. Okay, so now I have everything ready, and I click post. If you made a mistake, you could always cancel it. And here, if you don't want it to show up right away, you can click schedule instead. Or if you're still working on it and you're not done, you can click save draft. If you click schedule, you'll get a calendar, and you can say when you want to schedule it to post. So if you're creating a bunch of things all at once for the week, but you actually want them to show up every morning, then you can do that. If you push post right away, the kids will see everything you create all at once. So you might, if you're working ahead of yourself, you're going to want to use this schedule choice. Okay, but I want it to be shown right away, so I'm just going to click post. Okay, so you guys will end up seeing that as soon as you join my Google Classroom. And that's how you do an announcement.